Dear students, good morning. Today, inshallah, we'll start discussion for Module 4. Let's start with the cover page. Module 4 is entitled See the World. Look here. What can you see? Here we can say that it's the globe, the world, okay? We'll have some discussion questions for introduction. Do you like traveling? هل أنت بتحب السفر؟ Some of you can say, or most of you will say, yes, I do. Maybe a few will say, no, I don't. It depends according to everyone. Where do you usually go on holiday? يعني غالبا أو عادة فين بتروح في الإجازات؟ You decide. For example, I travel to abroad. I travel abroad. I travel to London. I travel to Egypt, for example. Some people prefer to go sightseeing inside Saudi Arabia. في بعض الناس بتسافر داخل المملكة. Okay. Here, can you find the following in this module? You have to go or search for these pictures from page 50 to 59 and decide on which page can you find them. Okay? Picture A, page 52. Picture B is page 50. Picture C is page 56. Picture D is page 55. Picture E is page 59. This is the introduction for Module 4. Let's start Part A or Lesson A on the move. When you see this title, what do you mean? What do you mean? What do you think about its meaning? For example, إيه معناه on the move? On the move he refers to traveling. I can elicit that it means to be traveling from one place to another. Traveling from one place to another. Number one, the vocabulary here are talking about means of transport. Means of transport. Okay? واللي نلاحظه هنا يا شباب لو طلعنا كده على الكلمات by plane, by train, by car, by coach, by ship, on foot، إن كل وسائل المواصلات بنستخدم by قبلها ما عدا كلمة foot بنستخدم قبلها حرف الجر ايه؟ on. دي مهمة جدا خلي بالك منها. Okay? Listen carefully. Listen and match. Okay?
Module 4. See the world. 4A. On the move. 1. Vocabulary. Match the pictures with the phrases. Then listen and check your answers. 1. By coach. 2. By car. 3. On foot. 4. By train. 5. By plane. 6. By ship.
So, by plane, picture number 5. By train, picture number 4. By car, picture number 2. By coach, picture number 1. By ship, picture number 6. On foot, picture number 3. Okay. The reading. Number 2, the reading section. Look at the boy in this picture. This boy. What do you think happened to him? Listen, read, and check your answers. Okay.
2. Read. A. Look at the boy in the picture. What do you think happened to him? Listen, read, and check your answers.
Neil, you won 15,500 euros in the national writing competition. What are you going to do with all that money?
I'm going to go on a long holiday. My dream is to see the world.
Are you going to take your family with you?
Of course I am. My 2 best friends are definitely going to come with us too.
Where are you going to travel to first?
Australia. We're going to get there by plane and then travel around the country by coach. I want to see everything.
So this boy won 15,500 euros. Okay.
That sounds great. What other places are you going to visit?
China, Spain, Egypt. I really want to go to the pyramids. And of course South America. We're going to spend about a month there. And we're definitely going to the Amazon.
Are you going to spend all your money on the holiday?
No, I'm not. I'm going to give lots of money to environmental organizations when I get back. I think it's important.
Read again and answer the questions. Number 1. Who is Neil going to go on holiday with? With his family and his 2 best friends. Where are they going to go? They are going to go to Australia, China, Spain, Egypt, and South America. 3. How are they going to travel around Australia? By coach. Number 4. How long are they going to stay in South America? About a month. What else is Neil going to do with the money? He's going to give money to environmental organizations. Okay. So here I can ask you a question. If you won a lot of money, what would you do with it? Would you like to travel around the world, for example, like Neil? Which places would you like to visit? So you have to think about this question. Now we'll go to the grammar point. Future going to. هنا القاعدة بنستخدم be going to express the future. Okay. For example, am is are going to plus infinitive. يبقى عندي going to preceded by be am with are. طبعا am with are مرت علينا كتير. He, she, it. Singular noun is. Am, I am. We, you, they. Plural noun are. Going to وبعدها البيس فورم فعل بدون أي إضافات. لو أنا عاوز أنفي بعد am أو is أو are بكتب not. في الكويستشن في السؤال ببدأ بam أو is أو are وأجاوب yes subject am is are, no subject am not is not are not. عندي التايم اكسبريشنز بستخدم انا التعبيرات اللي بتدل على الفيوتشر tomorrow, tonight, next month, next year, next week, next Tuesday, in an hour, in a year, in 2 weeks, in 2 hours, soon. دي كلها time expressions to show the future. اوكي وده الفول فورم short form. اوكي question short answers like this. التايم expressions زي ما قلنا tomorrow, tonight. we use the future going to express future plans. هنا بنستخدمها للتعبير عن خطط مستقبلية. Dennis is going to buy a car next week. is عشان دينيس عندي مفرد، going to ما بتتغير، بعدها buy البيس فورم أو فعل بدون أي إضافات. okay. We can use the present progressive to talk about future arrangements. We are having a barbecue next Saturday. ممكن استخدم am و is و are verb plus ing انه يعبر عن الترتيبات والخطط المستقبلية. Okay. Here we are going to complete using be going to. يبقى انا اول شيء يا شباب بحدد الفاعل عندي ياخد am ولا is ولا are. بعد كده going to ثابتة ما بتتغير، و going to بعدها البيز فورم او الفعل بدون اي اضافات. يعني for example he is going to, he will going to play, plays, played, playing. يبقى play البيس فورم بدون اضافه، بدون اس، بدون اي دي، بدون اي ان جي. اوكي. نمبر 1 A you. احنا قلنا اول شيء بنحدد هنا يو subject، يو بتاخد ايه؟ are، وهيجي بعدها going to، وعندي between brackets travel يبقى going to travel. اوكي. no I'm not. I تاخد ايه؟ am، وبعدها going to، وبعدين البيس فورم من get هتبقى get زي ما هي. اوكي. I'm going to get. number 2 A Alice. Alice singular so is going to go او going على طول بدون to go، يعني between brackets can write it or not. yes she is. she's going to visit. Daniel is، وهنا نيجاتيف اكتب بعدها not، isn't going to come. he is going to stay. his cousins from Canada. cousins هنا plural جمع يعني they، هقول are going to visit. okay. thank you very much for your listening. That's our lesson part A module 4. see you. goodbye.